Mesothelioma is a rare type of cancer that is caused by exposure to asbestos. If you or a loved one has been diagnosed with mesothelioma, it is important to understand your legal rights and options for pursuing compensation through a mesothelioma lawsuit. Below are recommendations for highly experienced mesothelioma lawyers in several states who have a proven track record of obtaining successful compensation for their clients. Texas. When it comes to mesothelioma lawsuits in Texas, one of the top firms to contact is Arnold & Kin LLP. With offices in Houston, Texas, Arnold & Kin has decades of experience handling complex mass tort and personal injury cases, including mesothelioma. Their team includes top trial lawyers with extensive experience taking on large corporations in the courtroom. Some key lawsuit victories obtained by Arnold & Kin for mesothelioma clients include a $65 million jury verdict against Ford and $30 million settlement with Crane Company. Inquiries to the firm are free of charge and they work on a contingency fee basis, so there are no upfront legal costs if they are unable to obtain a financial award or settlement for their clients. Another excellent choice for mesothelioma representation in Texas is Pulaski & Middleman, LLC, located in Houston. Led by mesothelioma specialist Tony Middleton, Pulaski & Middleman has filed over 2,000 asbestos lawsuits and obtained multi-million-dollar resolutions. They have the resources needed to navigate the complex science behind mesothelioma diagnoses and causation issues with expert witnesses. The lawyers at Pulaski & Middleman also understand the emotional impact of cancer diagnosis and are compassionate in their work with clients throughout the entire legal process. California. For California residents diagnosed with mesothelioma, the Markham LLP law firm is among the top recommended choices. With offices in Los Angeles, San Francisco, and New York, Markham LLP has over 50 years of combined experience handling mesothelioma and personal injury lawsuits. Their team of mesothelioma attorneys includes former prosecutors who are highly skilled at building strong liability cases against negligent corporations. Markham LLP has a proven record of maximizing compensation for their clients by pursuing all possible sources of damages. They place an emphasis on treating clients with empathy, respect and keeping them informed every step of the way. Another excellent California firm is Waters Krause & Paul. Based in Oakland, Waters Krause & Paul was founded over 30 years ago with a focus on representing victims of asbestos exposure and toxic torts. Led by partners Michael Krause and Paul Lawrence, their skilled mesothelioma attorneys have recovered over $2 billion for their clients. In addition to obtaining sizable verdicts and settlements, Waters Krause & Paul stands out for its dedication to advocacy for asbestos victims through legislation and raising public awareness about the ongoing dangers of asbestos. Explaining the legal process in clear terms is also a priority, so clients fully understand their case. Illinois. In Illinois, Baum Sigmund Auerbach and Newman, Limited should be at the top of any prospective client's list. Operating out of Chicago, this mesothelioma law firm has nearly 40 years of experience recovering compensation for asbestos victims, including prevailing in some of the earliest mesothelioma lawsuits filed. Founding partner Terry A. Fox is among the most experienced mesothelioma lawyers in the nation, having secured many multi-million-dollar resolutions over the course of his career. Baum Sigmund's trial team works closely with top mesothelioma medical experts to build medically compelling liability cases. They also have a strong history of obtaining just compensation from defendant companies through settlements or verdicts. Another exceptional choice is Simmons Hanley Conroy, based in Alton, Illinois. Simmons Hanley Conroy is a national powerhouse which has played a leading role in mass tort and complex litigation involving defective pharmaceuticals and asbestos. The firm employs over 100 personnel including lawyers, paralegals and staff specifically dedicated to fighting for mesothelioma clients. Some highlights of their successes include multi-million-dollar jury verdicts, record-breaking settlements, and helping pass legislation that holds negligent companies accountable. Simmons Hanley Conroy also maintains an active role in scientific and medical research related to mesothelioma causes and treatments. Florida. in Florida. One of the top recommended mesothelioma law firms to contact is the Chartwell Law Offices, LLP, with offices located in Miami and Tampa. Led by founding partner Joseph J. Mandak, the Chartwell Law Offices has over 40 years of combined experience representing clients with mesothelioma and asbestos injuries throughout the state of Florida. They emphasize personalized service and are as diligent with each case as if it were their own family member seeking justice. Chartwell has obtained numerous 7- and 8-figure verdicts and settlements against many of the country's largest companies. Inquiries are free and they work on a pure contingency basis with no upfront fees. Another outstanding choice for Florida residents is the Goss Law Firm, with its main office centrally located in Orlando. Goss Law Firm founder Adam B. Hall was the first lawyer in Florida to try and win a mesothelioma case to a jury verdict, obtaining $26 million for his client. Since then, the skilled mesothelioma attorneys at Goss Law have continued helping Florida victims and their families obtain full and fair compensation through their lawsuits. Services include financial assistance programs to help with living and medical expenses during the legal process. With years of proven success, mesothelioma clients can be confident in the Goss Law Firm's ability to aggressively pursue their claims. These are just a few of the leading mesothelioma law firms recommended in major states based on their extensive experience, proven success track records, and top client reviews. The mesothelioma attorneys at these firms have the resources and expertise to guide clients through medical and legal issues while maximizing potential compensation given each unique set of circumstances. If diagnosed with this rare cancer, speaking with a specialized mesothelioma lawyer as soon as possible is advised to understand all legal rights and options available.